What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by COSORI, and we're taking a look at their awesome air fryer. Now, this thing is a 5.8 quarts and features a 1700 electric air fryer oven. Now, this thing can roast, it can cook, it can bring your fries back to life, and it has a digital touchscreen with 11 presets built in. It also has a non-stick basket, which is really awesome, and it has a cool little book that comes with over 100 recipes, and if you mess up any of those recipes, you get a 2-year warranty, so you're pretty much set to go in terms of that as well. So a lot of you guys know what an air fryer is and have been considering whether or not to get one or not. Well, this is the #1 bestseller on Amazon. It has 3,402 reviews, and almost every single one of them is 5 stars. So the thing works, and it looks super sleek. It comes in as this really matte black type of kind of shiny glossy type of black. It looks really cool anywhere next to a microwave, in your kitchen, maybe even on the kitchen table. It looks really awesome. And with that said, what exactly does air frying do? Well, basically it is able to fry things with air. That's literally what it does. It doesn't require as much oil, and you don't have to get out pots and pans and things. You simply toss in things like fries into here, and it will fry them for you, which is really awesome. And it does it faster than you can do it inside of an oven. It takes no more than 5 minutes for a lot of things, and you're pretty much set to go, which is why a lot of people love it. Now, here's the cool part: because you're not using as much oil, and you're not, literally going and frying a lot of things, you're actually frying with 85% less fat. See, a lot of recipes require no more than 1 tablespoon of oil. That's all you need to use for most of the recipes on that book, which is really cool, and that results in 85% less fat, which is really awesome. Now, what about cleanup? This thing is going to be in the kitchen, right? Well, cleanup, the baskets are both dishwasher safe. You simply toss them in there, you disconnect it. It takes less than 3 seconds, and then you can wash them on your own, or you can toss them into the dishwasher, and you're pretty much good. Now, my favorite thing is the full-on menu that's at the top of this thing. It can cook everything from steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, the thing that I'll be showing you guys, and vegetables, root vegetables, and even desserts and bread. How awesome is that? We actually got this for the house, and my dad has been we got rid of the toaster because we no longer really needed it, and the bread comes out really nice. How awesome is that? Now, lastly, we need to talk about size. So this thing is around 8 quarts, so of course it can serve your family of at least 3 to 5 people, and the basket itself can fit up to 5 to 6 pounds of whole chicken, which is really awesome as well. The dimensions are 8 times 11 times 8 times 12, so of course keep that in mind when you get this. Does it fit underneath your cabinet and whatnot? The basket comes in at around 9 times 9 times 3, which is really good to know as well. This thing is ETL certified and FDA compliant, so it's fine for your family. It's not releasing any harmful chemicals or anything of those sorts. Lastly, temperature wise, this thing supports up to 170 degrees up to 400 degrees, so you can make just about anything you need inside of here. The power output is of course 120 volts, and it's 1700 watts, so it gets things done, and it gets things done very quickly. It's healthier and it's better for your heart, so if you do eat a lot of fried food, this is just simply a better way to go and make all of that stuff than go ahead and simply get out the pots and pans, waste 20 minutes when you can toss everything into here in 5 minutes and have everything good to go. Now, of course, my favorite thing about this is the design. It's just very sleek looking compared to every other air fryer on Amazon. It's got the touch controls, it looks modern, but the price isn't too high. The price is really amazing considering what this thing is able to do. It can replace so many different other things that are inside of your kitchen at the moment, so definitely go ahead and check out the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.